So, what did you have today? Tea or coffee? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So friends, can you tell me, what is the super drink of this pandemic? Neither tea nor coffee. So, what is the drink? The drink should be something that should make us strong from the inside. So, can you guess what the drink is? Yes. Yeah, that's right. It is our very own Kadha. Kadha is made out of herbs, ginger and other ingredients that helps cure cold and cough. So, let's make Kadha. To make Kadha, start by taking 1 liter of water in a saucepan. The other ingredients you need are a handful of holy basil, about 6 inches of ginger, a handful of lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 2 cloves, a little pepper and 2 cardamom. Crush the ginger. Add all these ingredients to water. In place of whole fennel seeds and whole black pepper, you can use powdered fennel seeds and powdered black pepper. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Now the kadha is ready. Filter it with a strainer in 2 cups. Add sugar. You can add jaggery in place of sugar if you like. Enjoy it hot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.